Now, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has reached the Supreme Court judgment denying bail to Umar, Khalid and Sharjeel Imam in the 2020 Delhi blast case. The Chief Minister stated that the verdict is welcome and strict punishment should be given to those responsible. Let's listen in.
जो दिल्ली दंगों के आरोपी शर्जील इमाम और उमर खालिद की जमानत की अर्जी को खारिज किया गया, हम माननीय कोर्ट का स्वागत करते हैं। और ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने दिल्ली को दंगों की आग में धकेला, उन्हें कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। और वो लोग, वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जिन्होंने ऐसे दंगाइयों का सहयोग किया, उन्हें भी कड़ा संदेश मिलना चाहिए, वो भी सजा के भागी हैं।
Now, in a major ruling today, the Supreme Court has rejected bail pleas of activists Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam in the UAPA case related to the alleged larger conspiracy behind the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots. The court, however, granted conditional bail to 5 other co-accused. The riots, which erupted amid protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, had claimed 53 lives and left hundreds injured. Reacting to the verdict, Delhi BJP leaders have strongly welcomed the decision. Delhi Minister Kapil Mishra told reporters that the bail rejection reaffirms what has been evident from the start, that the Delhi riots were carried out as part of a well-planned conspiracy after extensive preparation. He said the Supreme Court's order proves the violence was not spontaneous but orchestrated deliberately. Meanwhile, another Delhi minister, Ashish Sood, called it shameful that various leaders of the Delhi Assembly had in the past shared the stage with Sharjeel Imam. He demanded that they all apologize to the nation for those associations. Let's listen in.
और मुझे लगता है कि शुरू से जो ये बात सामने आ रही थी कि दिल्ली का दंगा एक सोची समझी साजिश के तहत किया गया था, लंबी तैयारी के साथ किया गया था, वो आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला इसको पुनः
की है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले ने उसकी बेल के संदर्भ में जिस प्रकार की चर्चाएं हो रही हैं, ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि इस विधानसभा के भी कुछ लोगों ने शर्जील इमाम के साथ मंच साझा किया है। उन सब को और उनके दलों को माफी मांगनी चाहिए देश और दिल्ली की जनता से। सरकार का विरोध करने की अनुमति मिल सकती है, सरकार का विरोध करने की अनुमति हो सकती है, आपको सरकार के मुखिया का विरोध करने की अनुमति हो सकती है, सरकार की नीतियों का विरोध करने की अनुमति हो सकती है, मगर भारत के टुकड़े करने की अनुमति आपको कोई कैसे दे सकता है? कैसे कोई आपको अनुमति दे सकता है कि आप कहें मैं चिकन नेक को दबाकर नॉर्थ ईस्ट को काट दूंगा इस देश से? ये निंदनीय है। और जिन लोगों ने उसके साथ मंच साझा किया, आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं ने, आम आदमी पार्टी माफी।
I have Sambhav Sharma joining me with more details. Sambhav, what more can you tell us?
Well, here the Supreme Court today has rejected the bail petitions of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam. And what is said by the top court is important. Here the Supreme Court has said that these two stand on different footing and it can't be ignored in terms of parity and culpability. Also, the top court has said that Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam can pay for bail after 1 year. The Supreme Court has said that the Terrorist Act under UAPA is not confined to conventional warfare. Now, again, very important comment made by the top court while rejecting bail petition of these two accused in Delhi 2020 Delhi riots, especially Northeast Delhi riots, I must say. And here the Supreme Court has said that the Terrorist Act under the UAPA is not confined to conventional warfare, but includes all acts of attacking the national integrity and sovereignty. And also, if I talk about this particular case, detailed arguments were made before the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court of Justice Arvind Kumar and Justice N.V. Anjaria, who heard this case, where the Delhi police, through various councils, including Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, has said that these people must not be, these accused must not be granted bail. And also many videos were played inside the courtroom of these alleged, of these accused, allegedly saying that all these comments were made by the accused, and there was a larger conspiracy to this particular case when one foreign delegate, one American president was here on Indian soil, and then it was orchestrated. It was that these were the major arguments made by Delhi police in the Supreme Court by, while vociferously asking not to grant bail to these accused, especially Sharjeel and Umar Khalid. But on the other hand, it was said by many, lawyers who appeared in the Supreme Court for these accused. They said that why the trial is taking so long, why it's not concluded, and if it is not concluded, why no bail is being granted. So these were the arguments made by the accused in the Supreme Court. There were many other arguments also made in the Supreme Court in the detailed hearing. Later judgment was reserved, and today the Supreme Court has rejected the bail petition of two accused in this particular case. However, has granted bail to some other accused whose bail petition was also pending, which include the Supreme Court has granted bail to Gulfisha Fatima, Mirana Haider, Shaifur Rahman, Mohammad Salim Khan, and Shadab Ahmed. So these five accused got bail from the Supreme Court, a conditional bail by the top court of the country, and on the other hand rejected the bail petition of two accused, seeing what the Supreme Court said again is very important. The top court has said that they stand on different footing. And now we are waiting for the detailed order of the Supreme Court. Once that's out, we will get to know deep into the nitty-gritties of the
All right, Sambhav, thanks.